Alright, folks. We have a 16-ounce Guinness tall boy here, folks. The widget inside. Tiny Tim Roushrader inspired us to make a Guinness 16-ounce shotgun video. So we got the legend from GSHL TV, DoggyTube 1978. Santos motherfuck Ferguson, aka DoggyTube Jr. in the fucking house. It's time to shotgun this shit, boys. Bring it home. We'll find out who is the Guinness shotgun champion. Will it be DoggyTube 1978? Or will it be Santos Ferguson? Contestants. Okay, folks, we're gonna do this on Tiny Tim Roushrader. Are you ready?
We're all ready.
You ready? Tim Roushrader, go! Wow, that was close, folks. That was close.
That is the smoothest chug I've ever done in my life.
Show the widget, man. Rip
Should
her
went down
open.
like lemonade.
Rip her open and show the folks at home the widget inside here, like Tiny Tim did.
Je regard la widget and beer.
We might have a rugby video in the making, folks. You never fucking know.
Is it delicious up here? I got nothing.
That was weird.
One more time.
Real weird.
Congratulations.
Oh, you saw it, folks.
Ebola.
That was the Guinness 16-ounce shotgun off with DoggyTube and the Santos Ferguson. Alrighty.
That's for all the perverts out there who like nose blowing. Fucking weirdos.
You're crazy.
Is that it? Are we done? Are we done?
It's GSHL TV. I think we're out. Peace.